Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down at the Honda Nissan store with Bill Cole, my great friends down here. You talking about a sweet ride. Check this out, people. All new for 2022, the Nissan Frontier, and this color scheme is really cool. It's called Baja Storm. The gentleman was just telling me about it. It's got the full tube frame, Bilstein shocks, audio system by Fender. You can't beat Fender. They're one of the best ever. Best in its class, 310 horsepower. That means it's going to get on down the road. Now check this out. This is a new addition to these things. I got to make sure I can explain this. It's got a 360-degree camera system. It activates when you're in 4-low mode. So let's say you're out in in the woods somewhere, you're taking this bad boy off-road, you get stuck. You don't have to get out of the car to find out which wheel is done wrapped around a tree stump or something. You got a camera that'll tell you that, so you don't even have to get out of the car before you get it fixed. So just fully loaded, got everything, the big screen up on front, so you don't have to wear your glasses while you're driving this bad boy. And like I said, it is new for 2022. One of the sweetest colors I think I've seen on an all-terrain vehicle for sure. So come on down, Bill Cole Honda Nissan. Grab one of these while they last. I may take it on a test ride. I just don't want to wrap it around a tree stump. Bill, get mad at me. Y'all have a good day. See you, bye.